the stuff we've gotten for Linnea so far. And I'm gonna go through it and show you everything. I mean, this is our fourth girl, so obviously we don't need that much. There's some stuff we do need, like the car seat expired and it was ugly anyways. You know, your style changes for what you like over, since our oldest is going to be 7 and all 3 of our girls use the same car seat. But real quick, I want to say I just bought this and it was on clearance at the PX here on Post, and it's the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream in the color Barely Blush, but I love it. Like, it's a really, 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 really pretty nude, and it is a little bit pumping. You probably can't see the true color here because I have the window and it's so bright, but it's definitely like darker than my skin tone nude, and it was really nice, and it was just $2. So always want to put that out there in case you like a deal like me. But I'll go ahead and go through everything we have now. So I've been keeping it in this little tote that we have already. This is from Target, so cute. I bought this tote for myself when I bought it for a baby shower gift. Like, I put all of the baby gifts in one. It was smaller than this though, but I picked one up for myself too, because, you know, I wanted one too. It was so cute. Most of this is from Amazon. Where we live, there's a Target, Walmart, TJ Maxx, and a Ross, and a Hobby Lobby, and a Kohl's, and an Old Navy, and that's it. That's like literally all. So, you know, not too great of shopping around here. I do think we're gonna make a trip to Bye Bye Baby, which I've never been to Bye Bye Baby. We always loved going to Babies R Us, but you know, they're out of business, I'm pretty sure, and there's none around here anyways. But yeah, most of this is from Amazon. My mom sent me a lot of it, so I'll just go through. There's some things for me too. So this is for my hospital bag. It's a really cute like blush color. I just don't really have anything. The only thing I have that's kind of like this is like a Vera Bradley thing I bought like 9 years ago, and I think it's so ugly now, but it was in style then. But I still have it just because I spent a lot of money on it. I don't even want it. I should just give it to someone. But anyways, so I have this. This was from Amazon. It was like $30. It's the Bag Smart brand, and it's pretty nice. You know, probably like fit people would use it for a gym bag, but you know, COVID and stuff, I'm not really going anymore. So there's that. I also got these for myself. I don't have the black one here to show you because I've already worn it, because let's be honest, I don't fit in anything. So I needed bigger bras. These are nursing bras, and they're from Amazon, and they're really comfy and a really good price. I don't like underwire ones, but that's just me. Usually have some for like occasion that I would need one. But so here's a nude one and like a pale pink one, and there was a black one in the set. And when I say it was like 20 something, maybe 30 something. If it was 30 something, it was like 32 for the 3, which is obviously a really good price, like around $10 a bra. That's on Amazon. I got this on Amazon. This is like my favorite thing we've gotten. This is her diaper bag. It's Itsy Ritzy. Of course, it's pink. They have like so many cute styles, and I was like, oh, I should get something other than pink, because this is my 4th girl. You don't have to have everything pink. But I just can't, because to me, I just love all the little pink things. So yeah, this one's really nice. A friend of mine had an Itsy Ritzy one, and I just loved it because it goes all the way down like this. So you're not like digging in the top and like usually stack the diapers and wipes and stuff. But yeah, I love this. It's a pretty good price. I think it was like I got it on sale for like $68, and normally it's around $80 or $90. Yeah, so I was happy about that. I'm gonna get some more itsy ritzy things, and I already got some more at Target. These are itsy ritzy for her, for Linnea. They're cute. I'm just gonna start putting things back in there. And you know, I've already shown this, but I got this on Amazon. Her name little teether, and then her name card from, that's an ultrasound, but her name card from Etsy, which it's kind of weird, but I keep it in this. This is a crib sheet from Pottery Barn. It's like a floral. It has purple and blush, like a lilac and a blush. I think it's pretty. But yeah, I keep her ultrasound and name tag in there so it doesn't get wrinkled. So that's the Pottery Barn crib sheet. It's like the first thing I bought for her was this crib sheet. And then I got this at Target. That itsy ritzy stuff is from Target. And this is from Target. This Boppy Pillow with little unicorns on it. I want to say it was like $10 or something really good. I got this Ryan and Rose Passy clip. I'm gonna have to be scooting forward for you to see everything, but oh well. It's like a peach. And I'm trying to group these by like the store. Got these on Amazon. My mom did actually. They're hospital hats. Which I would have got one, but it was just so cheap for the pack of 3. So we can pick later what her coming home outfit would be and which one matches. They're so cute. I think it was like $12 for all 3. My mom also got me these things from Amazon. These woven Passy clips. These man binkies. My kids are booby babies and they only take man binkies. And then these clips to go on man binkies, which don't go on these kind, but they go on the regular kind of man binkies so that I could put Passy clips on them. Okay. And then my mom also sent me this from Amazon because I made a registry mostly for coupons and to keep like a list of everything I'm getting for her for Linnea. And my mom went on there and just bought a bunch of stuff too. But this is so soft. I was nervous because these are really expensive everywhere else you look, but cheaper on Amazon, and it had like kind of mixed reviews, I think. But it's really, really long. Some said it was too short, but it's really, really long, and it's so soft. And it comes with a hat. Like you would tie this. So that's so cute. From Amazon. Her crib sheets from Amazon. It's white with just the little puff balls on the bottom. This is from Target. This little outfit thing. I got it in a big, well, it's 0 to 3, not bigger, but not newborn because she's going to be born in June. It's really hot here. And then I got this at TJ Maxx. It was $7.99. It's so funny. We were just in the PX and I was like, Austin, these baby blankets are $30, $35. And that's so, that's wild. So, because you can get really nice ones at TJ Maxx or Ross, and even sometimes at Target, but they're like $10. You should not spend more than like $15 on a baby blanket, you know? But this one's so cute. It's like a blush. It reminded me of the Barefoot Dreams one, and it's only $7.99. So, of course, I got that, even though I need to get a lighter weight one because, like I said, she's going to be a June baby. So here's a bunch of stuff I got at Walmart. They have this line. Modern Moments, made with organic cotton. But they have this like really cute line there. So we got that one. I don't think I got these in like 3 to 6 because so she can wear them like in the fall. That one's so pretty though. With Everly, I remember I was so obsessed with like floral everything, which I'm still obsessed with, but I also like some plain. This is like a kind of a woven. It has a texture on it. So did the cream one. So pretty. And then a little teeny one. And this comes with these pants. And then my mom sent these. This one's like a newborn one. Since, you know, summer, more summery stuff. And here's a bigger size. You know, they both say 70, which is so weird, but I swear this one's smaller. I don't know. And then these ones that tie up here on the shoulders. Got 2 colors. So cute. And then this one she accidentally bought me 2 of, but it's so cute with the ruffles on the shoulders, and it's really soft and lightweight, and it comes with a headband that you would tie, which I'll have to YouTube how to tie these again because I think I forgot. Oh, and I forgot to say I got these at Walmart too, which I was kind of surprised what cute things you can get at Walmart. These are like a tweed, is that what you would call it? Like a textured cotton. And this one that went with the rose stuff. And then my sweet, sweet new friend who moved in 2 doors down got me this. Her name's Cherie. She got me this swaddle, which will be so perfect because it's like lightweight, and I use these as blankets too. So cute. And then these month things for photos. So cute. I think she said she got the stuff at TJ Maxx, which I did see this one. This one's so, I love this one. This is my favorite. And it's perfect because she's a summer baby. And then this one in 12 months. So cute. With these pants, which are like a really comfy texture. So cute. And then she also got this blanket. Which has like the alphabet on it, but it's like a lighter weight alphabet. And this, I know it says made in India, and it looks like that, you know, like boho modern style, but it's so cute. So I'm mostly sticking with like blush stuff for her, or like that cooler tone colors that are really in style. And then like making plans for her nursery and stuff, but it'll be a while till we know, or I don't know, you know, the army, I could find out any day, but we're waiting to find out on when we would move next, on if I'm gonna start making a nursery here. Obviously she's gonna need things like a crib skirt and a crib sheet and stuff, and I would buy things for her nursery still, even if we're not necessarily decorating one here. We'll see. We have to see what the timeline is. Probably we won't be making a nursery in this home. We'll be waiting, which kills me because it's my favorite thing to do. But we'll see. We'll see what's going on. So that's all of my stuff that we have for Linnea so far. Like I said, we don't need that much stuff. I have a lot of stuff left, but I want to get some things, you know, that are for her and special, and then, you know, with the little style we're going for. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and come back for my next video. Bye.